Surgeon Tree Services, along with family company Anton Services Inc., taking care of some big emergency removal in Jamul, California, area code 91935. We got a big crane coming out by Bob's Crane Service. Got about a 40-ton XL coming. We got certified arborists in the bucket, taking some weight off the tree. We got a real large 15-foot wide stump. Got the strongest crew here in town. Emergency services, we got it on lock. We'll take care of you. Looks like the septic rotted this one out.